Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, let's talk about the brand new Ulanzi PT-14, the flip-up mirror. This is a very clever design and it is compatible with most of the cameras and phones. This flip-up mirror will reflect the back LED screen of your camera body, and now when you're vlogging yourself, you can see your screen through that mirror in this. And this design is very clever, very small and compact, but at the same time is multifunctional. So now let's take a look at what's inside the box and how to use the PT-14. This is what you're gonna have in the package. This is the main body of the flip-up mirror, and this is a hexagon wrench. The hexagon wrench could tighten up every one of the screws on the side of this flip-up mirror. Altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Altogether we can have 6 screws that could help you tighten it up to add more dampen in the rotation, in the mechanic, in the rotation of the flip-up mirror. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the design and detail of this flip-up mirror. So first you can see that it is very compact, it's very thin, and it has a cold shoe mount. When you take up one of the hot shoe mount with your camera body, it will give you 2 more extra cold shoe mount on the side, one on the left and another one on the right. Every one of the cold shoe mount is rotatable. You can rotate to different directions. On the back of the flip-up mirror, there is a Ulanzi logo, and it is made of leather on the back with aluminum metal frame. The cold shoe mount is also very well designed. It has a 1/4" thread in the middle, and it has a rubber on this tightening screw that could help you protect your hot shoe mount on your camera. And it will add more frictions in the surface design, but also have 4 separate holes in the tighten up. That could help you add more force to tighten up when you are rotating the tighten up the cold shoe mount on the camera body. Frame of the flip-up mirror, we have 2 axis of rotation. So on this frame, and with this axis, we can rotate this flip-up mirror in the full 360 degrees, while on the other axis of the flip-up mirror, we're gonna have altogether 270 degrees. That could, with this flip-up mirror, you can now see the back screen of your camera body, and also is also compatible with the GoPro Hero, the action camera, or your cell phone. So this is really helpful with almost all of the vlogging devices. If you want to have a screen, but at the same time more compatibility with your LED light or your microphone system, you can tighten up or loosen up the rotation of the cold shoe mount. So now let's take a look at what it feels like on my Sony a7 Mark III. Okay, this is how it looks like on my Sony a7 Mark III, because the Sony a7 Mark III only have a flip-up screen, so you can never see the screen when you're vlogging yourself with your wide-angle lens. So with this flip-up mirror, you can adjust the flip-up screen and adjust the angle of the mirror so that when you power on your a7 Mark III, you're gonna see this back screen right inside the mirror. So be careful that everything you see in the mirror is a mirror image of your screen. So the left is right, the right is left. Let's take a closer look at the flip-up mirror. So you can see everything, that every detail of your back screen. That will help you adjust the frame of your vlogging setup. And more importantly, on the 2 separate cold shoe mount, we can also add the LED light, such as the VL149 RGB version, as well as the Seren Nano microphone. They are all very small and compact, and I highly recommend to use in your vlogging life. How to adjust this flip-up mirror? The first thing first is to adjust every one of the rotation angle of your flip-up mirror until you can see the back screen when you're looking at the flip-up mirror. And next one, you're gonna have to rotate the cold shoe mount so that you can use the microphone to directly shoot yourself, have a directional voice, and adjust angle of this one so that the light will light up your face but be careful that only rotate the control mount. Okay, so with this setup, you can see this is really clever design. It takes only one of the control mount, but at the same time give you 2 more extra control mount, and with the VR49 it will even give you 3 more extra control mount for more possibilities. This is the setup, and what fascinated me most about the PT-14 is that even if your camera screen do not have any flip-up screen, you can still adjust this flip-up mirror to let you see everything inside this mirror. I can see that. Now you can also see the back screen with this flip-up mirror, and at the same time adjust this this one and this light and the microphone, and at the same time directly see the back screen in the flip-up mirror. So this is compatible with the GoPro Hero 8. It is also compatible with any other camera that do not have back screen. This is an old Sony RX10 that has a backup screen. It could still have 1-inch sensor and record in 4K. So with this flip-up mirror, you can also use this device as your vlogging devices. So the PT-14 is very well made. It's made of whole metal, and it's very light, compact, and thin. It's portable, and it will make your vlogging life more colorful. So I'm very happy to share with you this PT-14 flip-up mirror with you in my video, and I do hope you can try on yourself and create more stunning stuff for the YouTube channel and record your life in a new style. So that's all about this video about PT-14, and if you found it helpful, please don't forget to sum up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. In the future, I'm gonna share with you more about the interesting setup of my vlogging life. So until next time, bye.